what America's made of, son.
Damn it, Bobby.
Here's what it looks like now.
Daddy, wow. Daddy, you got the window and a rock.
Yeah. Let's see if we can't clean this old beast up. Alright, I'll be back in a minute after I've done this for a while, because, yeah, there's a lot. Alright, wow. Only took a couple minutes, too. I see some rust, but honestly, that came out awesome. Oh, we still got a lot left to do.
That's water.
That's water.
No.
You want to do it? Here, you do it. Hold it. Alright, hold it with both hands, okay? Now step closer. Get closer. Get closer. Come on. Stand right here. Careful. Alright. Do it. Use both hands. Press the... There you go. You can do it. Go for it. You want help? Come on. Here, help Daddy. Watch. Look at that. Good job. Good job. You did it. Just for reference, it's not perfect by any means, but I think we can make this work. Man, not bad after 13 years. Look at that. The mullet machine's coming alive. Look at that trim though, it cleaned up way nice. And it has all of it. Next question is, will this clean up? Who knows? Well, it's marginally better than it was. I mean, it doesn't look like it's been growing in a tree for a few years. So, there's still a lot to do. I'm going to trade these doors out for the doors on the other one here, because these doors are in rough shape. It doesn't look like it too bad, but there's, on the driver's side, there's rust all down the bottom. But on this one, it's just all froze up on the inside. It won't even open right now, so I'll be doing that later. But I just wanted to give an update on how it looks, and it's not bad. It's sat in the barn for 13 years. So I'm excited to get into this one. On to the next. Well, replace the doors because, well, they were seized shut, so that was fun. Cleaned up the engine bay a little bit, trying to get some of the leaves and, well, pretty much all the crap that was in it out of it. Not perfect, but you know, we're working on it here. But at least I have doors that open. Now I'm working on the electrical system a little bit here, trying to get it up to par, so that way we can put some new wires and plugs and oil in this beast and see if it'll fire up. Not bad for a junkyard rescue anyway. But I'll let y'all know as soon as I get any further. Yeah.
Gentlemen, start your engines, brothers!
Alright, let's see if it does anything. If I weren't almost out of starting fluid, that would help. Oh well. Nope. Come on.
I tried.
Damn it, Bobby.
And guys, it's showtime. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Ooh, let's go racing today, boys.